Right, so I'm here with my mouse here. I won as a giveaway, so I'm going to be opening it today. Trying to do this with one hand. I don't know. The magical editing, it is open, so let's see. Look, there it is. Look, I'm trying to get it open. Squeeze. I've ripped the box and the packaging here. It says, "Please something." I'm gonna break it at this rate. There we go. Here we go. Right. There you go. There's the back. It's a nice one. So looks very intelligent. There's a sticker thing. I was going to do this now. I'll use this pure non-thumbie. I only have 11 minutes left. Hurry! Hurry! I'm trying to. You can tap. I'm looking at this through the camera, so it doesn't. We got some manual. That's nice. We've got the gold-plated USB there, and then it comes to. Oh, this is a nice mouse. I feel it's premium. Oh. There's a box. Put that there. Manual. I might need that actually to get the software for it. But here we go. I don't know if you can see that in it, but it's got buttons on the side there. It's nice. Yeah, that's my new mouse. It does have weights in the bottom here. So I'm just about with them, and I'll be back once I've set it up. Right, so I'm back again. Go get my dinner, but here you go. That's a bright light now. It's a laser mouse, this one, so it's quite nice. It's let me see, it's quite a leggy, so there is a software so you can change all these and then map all these buttons as well. So right now it looks like this, and it just changes colour as you go around. This is a triple click button, so when you push that, it taps twice. No, it taps 3 times whenever you push that red button there. much. It's got a scroll. That's a nice scroll wheel. Pardon me. That's a nice scroll. It's nice and smooth. That. And then you got these DPI buttons here. Tap up, and then that's the more sensitive it is right now. To get across the screen on it. That's all I need to get across the screen. But when it's at its lowest, it takes that much to get across the screen. That's I'll put it on the screen, like somewhere on the screen, on the different levels of DPI they are. Well, here you go. Here's the mouse, and I'll show you the software for it now. So, yeah. Okay, so I've on the software here, you can let's have a look. I'm just recording with Audacity in the background, so got all your buttons here, and mode A and mode B. That's nice. By your DPI settings, you can go up to 4,000. But I'll probably still put it in that video. I keep on accidentally pressing 7 on the mouse. There you go, there's that triple click, which is 12, which is there, and it's actually quite nice. But if I go neon standard, just standard click, I mean, you can't see the mouse right now. Oh, I don't like that. I like neon's nice. Look, it changes it, that's nice. Right, what orange looks like. Orange looks like it changed. I wonder what orange looks like. Right, I'll save it now. Basic settings. Oh, you can set micros. That's nice. Might do that actually. What's this for? Apply. Oh, that looks cool. Apply. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. I like that. I'm flicking through them all. Still, I want to know what orange looks like, because normally these kinds of mice just get orange completely wrong. I don't know. Never mind, let's just have them all on. Like that, I think that would do nicely. Apply. Let me just get the camera here. Hey man, get the camera. Oh, this is an old camera, this one. Oh, I've still got the lens cover on. I've done that before. There you go, look at it change. There's a spider on the back of it. That's kind of cool. Right, so just a quick heads up here. I'm hopefully gonna upload this video tonight, and I might also do some Happy Wheels, so if it's not there it'll be on tomorrow. And yeah, so that's kind of the plan I've got going for, and however long I'm on the computer for. And I might do a what do you call them, a gaming setup tour thing, just showing you around my new computer here. It's It's a nice computer actually, but anyways, that's just a quick edge up. So yeah, and also I might also do a what's it called, Rocket League. Or anyways, right, leave a comment on what I should what game I should play, or what I should do next on my channel. Yeah. So, right, and see you in the next video.